I'm Ashley with First Line Equipment. This is the Lelit PL62T Espresso machine. It's similar to the PL62S non-PID version. It has an E61 group head, multi-directional steam wand and water wand, dual pressure gauge, and the main two differences are this one has a PID controller and the knobs are different. The machine comes with a 58mm dual spout and single spout portafilter with the Lelit logo imprinted on the head. A 1-cup and a 2-cup basket, a blind filter basket for back flushing, a plastic coffee scoop, and a nice solid 58mm tamper. Hot water circulates from the boiler through the group head, which keeps the portafilter nice and hot. To start the extraction, pull the lever all the way up. This activates the micro switch behind it. You also have the option of pre-infusion. The steam wand and the hot water wand are both multi-directional. The arms are insulated so you can touch any part of it without burning yourself, but we don't recommend leaving it there for a long period of time. But also be careful of the tip and the joints because you will burn yourself if you touch it. Those are not insulated. The top half of the gauge measures steam pressure, ranges between 0 and 4 bars. The bottom half of the gauge measures pump pressure when you're pulling a shot, ranges between 0 and 16 bars. And the optimal brew pressure is between 9 and 10 bars. When you turn the machine on, it will display 1.00 for a few seconds, and then it will switch to the boiler temperature in Celsius. To change to the temperature, press down and then immediately press up, and you can use the arrow keys to go to your desired temperature. It will automatically save after 3 seconds. You'll also notice the heating element light will turn on and off occasionally when the heating element is active. The default temperature is in Celsius. If you want to switch it to Fahrenheit, you have to access the PID menu. To access it, power off the machine. Hold the up and down buttons and press the power button till the readout reads F.03. From here, press up and go into the menu, and you can choose between the 2 degrees of the temperature scale. From here, you can also change other settings of the PID. On the left is the overpressure valve for brew pressure. Using a wrench, you'll turn clockwise to increase brew pressure and turn counterclockwise to decrease. If your machine overheats, the safety thermostat is located at the top of the boiler. To reset the machine, you push the red button down, and you can also see the copper boiler is insulated. The power cord is completely removable. There's a particle filter on the end of the hose, but we recommend installing a water softener. The water tank has a sensor that will detect if the water in the tank is very low. The only way to turn the sound off is to fill the tank with water or turning the machine off. We recommend not filling the tank while it's in the machine to prevent water from spilling inside. As an alternative, you can use a funnel. and fill the tank while it's in the machine. Now we're going to make a shot of espresso. You want the portafilter to be hot to the touch. Loosely overfill your basket and scrape off any excess. You want to press down evenly using the thumb and your pointer finger till the rim of the tamper is even with the top rim of the portafilter. Give it a quick tap and quick polish. This should take about 5 to 7 seconds, and the optimal brew pressure is between 8 and 10. The Mara has very strong steaming capability. When steaming, you'll turn the steam wand slightly as you build swivel motions in the milk. You want to increase steam as needed. If you're steaming 20 ounces of milk, it should only take about 20 to 25 seconds. Hot water is always available if you want to make hot chocolate or tea. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative, and if you have any further questions, please contact our sales department or visit us on our website. Thank you and have a great day.